Okay, boys and girls, I gave you, and parents, gave you 2 sheets with the black and white version of this sheet, and it's labelled 2 and 3. So what I want you to do is I want you to cut them up like this. So cut the 2 sheets up into little squares like this. So I have cut them all up, and then you can store them in a plastic bag or in a little plastic box. So you could put them in a box or a plastic bag and keep them to use over the next few weeks. So what you can do is you can play some games. So what you would do is you can mix them up. Okay, you can put them into 2 piles, and you could put them into 2 piles, and you could play snap. So, but you have to say each one as you do it. Disappointed, confused, they're not the same, so they're not snap. Nervous, but say each picture as you do it. Hot. Cold. Nervous. Oh no, I haven't got any snaps yet. Cold. Now, if cold, upset, snap. So I've got 2. So upset, and whoever gets snap gets to keep them, and then you start again. That's one game. Or you could just put them all out in front of you like this. So I've stressed, upset, poorly, and find their matching. Poorly, upset. So there's upset and upset. I put them together. Cold. There's astonished, which is like surprised. I am astonished by how big that mountain is. Nervous. Oh, there's astonished again. So just match them all. Astonished, astonished. There's confused, disappointed, cold. I have another cold. I am cold today because it is icy outside. Cold, hot, nervous. Did I have nervous there? I did. Okay, so you could play matching them. That's another game you could play. And then the third game I want to show you is you turn them over like this. Mix them up so they're not beside each other. Mix them all up so they're not beside each other. And then what you do is each person, you have a couple of people, so you can play with this. Your parents and your brothers and sisters can play this as well, okay? So what I do is I turn them all over and spread them out. Okay, so I picked 2. Each person gets to pick 2. So I picked upset and astonished. They are not a pair, so I cannot use them. Then somebody else picks 2. So the other person picked tired and calm. They are not a pair, so you can't keep them. So what do I have here? Calm. Oh no, someone just put down calm. I think this was calm. So calm. So I got a pair, so I keep them. And then you keep going until you have them all collected. Now I know some of us have played this with words in class already. Okay? All right. So there's 3 games that you can play with these cards. And then you pick them up neatly. And I am going to put them into my box. I'm going to make sure they all go into the box and to be kept safe. Okay? All right. Okay. Okay. And I'll chat to you tomorrow.